Hello, my name is Daeun. Hamburger connection. Cows, pastures, lost forests, and abnormal climate change is a nightmare. Why are they related with hamburgers? The essence of the hamburger is beef. People create pastures to raise cattle. Cows devour a third of the world's grain, wheatgrass. In addition, each year pastures the size of South Korea are deforested because of excessive grazing. For this reason, the temperature of the earth rises more and more and global warming has worsened. Also, 40 million to 60 million people starve and die. In order to get a cup of milk and a portion of beef, 22 servings of grain should be fed to a cow. Maldives have already been sunk. People in the Maldives have a nightmare of being swept away by tsunami every day. For a hamburger, cows are raised. For raising cattle, pastures are made. And forests are burned. With the forest gone, the Earth's temperature rises and abnormal climate changes occur around the world. Is it right to eat hamburgers despite these bad results? The end. Thank you for listening.
김다은 학생의 발표였습니다.